All right, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be putting the Extreme Online 01 extended spoiler for the Corvette C6 on my Corvette C6. I've got a spoiler on here already, but the paint has been chipping. It's starting to crack a little bit. This baby's been on here for a while. And to be honest, the extended 01 Corvette C6 spoiler from Extreme Online store looks so much better. So I'm really excited to put this bad boy on. Let's hop right into it. All right, so step number one, all you got to do is just take a T15 hex and just go ahead and knock out those screws in the back of the Corvette C6 right by the taillights. There's one screw in each taillight. Let's go ahead and knock those bad boys out. All right, so once you get the taillights out of your Corvette C6, and you don't have to take all four taillights out, but I'm going to be replacing those bad boys anyways, and honestly, it just makes it easier to access in general. If you need to get your hand around to hold any of the screws where it goes into the clips and they start spinning freely and the screw doesn't come out, and it's really easy to do, man. It's only one screw, a T15 per taillight, and it comes right out. So now let's go ahead and start working on the spoiler. There's a couple of bolts in here. I'm going to figure out what size it is, and I'll let you guys know. All right, so for the rear bolts in the Corvette C6, it looks like we got a 10 millimeter, so we're just gonna use this 10 millimeter. It looks like there's two rear bolts holding my rear spoiler on, so we're gonna get these bad boys out. We're gonna get it removed, then we're gonna get any adhesive or anything like that removed, just so we can get a clean install on that new Corvette C6 01 spoiler from Extreme Online store. All right, we got the 10 millimeter on that bad boy. We just had to reach in there kind of and try and find it a little bit. There's some light and I looked in there, but otherwise we can feel it, we can get there. The screws aren't on super tight. They shouldn't be like torqued down or anything crazy like that. All right, just knocking out these bolts one by one as we go. I've got a couple of the bolts removed. I just got a couple more. We're gonna knock these out and then we're gonna get this baby cleaned up. Now, as you can see, I've got this side off where it'll lift up, and now we're just gonna get the one bolt on the other side, and then we're gonna start getting this thing prepped for the new spoiler. Alright guys, so we're just going to take the bolts that came out of the factory spoiler and we're going to put them in the new spoiler, and we're just going to sit it on the car. You can even use like ketchup or something like that, just so you can mark your holes. And then once you mark your holes, you're just going to go ahead and get ready to drill those holes through that bad boy. Once you do that, we're just going to go ahead and set the spoiler up and make sure that it lines up correctly and that we can bolt it in and everything's good before we apply the 3M tape and put that 3M tape on there and call it a day. And you don't have to go crazy with the 3M tape. As you can see, Ty, he just put it nice around the edges, nothing too crazy. But before you put the new spoiler on, you just got to make sure you transfer the third brake light over. It's just a couple 10 millimeter bolts. You just take that bad boy off of the old spoiler, and then you just put it on the new one. The biggest thing you need to be careful of when you're installing the spoiler is just making sure that you've got your holes lined up correctly for when you drill. The Extreme Online spoiler comes with a really nice kit, a really nice mounting kit. The bolts aren't overly long though, so you got to be careful when you're in the back of the Corvette C6 trying to put those bolts in there. You don't want to lose one of those bad boys. Fortunately, they give you a couple extra, but just be careful when you're putting the bolts in. Make sure that you got it lined up properly and you only have to drill right the first time.